Hey everyone, this week's Clear the Clutter with Christine is about how to get your jewelry organized. And there are so many options available depending on how much jewelry you have. This is a favorite. It's from the Container Store and it's adjustable so you can expand it or you can make it smaller depending on the drawer. I really love this, especially for narrow drawers and drawers that aren't so tall. This is another idea. This was my mother's. It's a crystal tray. And I love keeping personal items to hold, bracelets, rings, things you take off at the end of the day. And you can even put a pretty tray up on your counter. Another option are these acrylic wall organizers. They are so inexpensive. I talk about them all the time. If you just have a little space in your closet, a little bit of wall space, these are perfect. You can do one, you can do two, you can do three. They keep all your jewelry organized and not tangled, and that's the key. You don't want to be picking your favorite necklace and it's all tangled, and this helps to keep all necklaces tangle free. So stay tuned for next week's Clear the Clutter with Christine.